multi-packs are a versatile way for many online sellers and manufacturers to increase profits on low-cost items by bundling them together as a promotion or bulk purchase at a higher price point than if packaged as a single item. You may have seen these at club stores or discount retailers with liquidation of slow-moving merchandise, as products are bundled together for these purposes. If packaged in-house or through a contract packaging company, you need the Clamco 6750 EL automatic L-bar sealer from Pack Machinery, a fantastic solution for packaging multiple products together. Using the multi-pack function, you can package products more efficiently and with greater protection, because the last thing you want is for your bundled products to get damaged in the warehouse or in transit. Package at speeds of up to 3,600 packs per hour depending on application. The 6750 is a highly efficient, all-electric shrink wrapper that delivers high-quality performance at an exceptional value, creating beautiful protective packages using motorized seal centering and package opening height adjustment to wrap products of various sizes quickly with minimal effort. When packaging with the 6750 EL, you can quickly and easily set up different programs and operations for any product. With certain applications, it's possible to run different products on the same line without machine teardown or change settings. The easy-to-use touchscreen interface displays machine settings, seal parameters, data alerts, and more. If you want to first package a small multi-pack, then package a large item in a single pack, simply select the correct program on your HMI. This allows you the flexibility of packaging a wide variety of items. The 6750 EL is equipped with a hot knife mushroom blade option for use with either polyolefin or polyethylene film. The hot knife option eliminates polyethylene film buildup with no shutdowns for blade cleaning, allowing you to operate your machine for longer, more productive runs. If you're packaging thousands of packages per day, or if you are a smaller manufacturer looking to increase production with multi-packing, the 6750 EL Automatic L-Bar Sealer is a perfect choice for your operation.